Alright guys, this is Mr. Bennett and I'll be doing some questions. Well, this is more trial and error just to see the quality of my thing, how it works out and so forth. Uh, Not liking the quality on this at all. See if that thing. Alright, so the first one says, which one of the following contains all the factors of 20? Let me just adjust as I go along. Trying to test have the best quality. I'm testing out the exposure. I'm locking it. See how that goes. Alright, I should probably go in the light. So it says, which of the following contains all the factors of 20? Factors are numbers that can go into 20 without leaving a remainder. So we have 1 times 20, 2 times 10, 4 times 5. So that will leave us with this right here. So it's C. Which of the following statement is not true? 3 is a prime number. That is indeed correct. 6 is a factor of 24. That is indeed correct. 9 is a prime number. Well, we both know that 9 is not a prime number, so this is the answer. Prime numbers are numbers that only have 2 factors, 1 on itself. 3 can go into 9. Alright. What is 5 to the third? So basically 5 to the third is 5 times 5 times 5. 5, 5, 25 times 5. And that gives us 125. What is the square root of 100? Square root means what number you multiply by itself that can give you 100, and that is 10. So 10 times 10 is equal to 100. Therefore, the square root of 100 is 10. What is 6,600 written in standard form? No, standard form is between 0 and 10. So we can just, decimal point is right here. So we say 1, 2, 3, 4. So we move 4 places. So therefore it's 6.4 times 10 to the fourth, as we are going that direction. They could have made it a little bit more interesting by putting an option as 6.4 times 10 to the negative 4. That would have gotten some students. But remember, when it's negative 4, we're going to our left. Alright? So what is 7.3 times 10 to the 6? That is the same thing as 7.6 times 10 to the 6, basically 6 zeros, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, this is actually 3. So what you can do is, guys, is put some zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then just move it to your right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let us see now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. So D would be our answer. Now we're gonna move to number 7. And number 7 says, one day the temperature outside was 28 degrees. The temperature in a freezer was negative 18 degrees. What was the difference? Now the difference is, so one is negative 18. So let me just give you a vivid thing. So this is negative 18. This is 0. And this is 28. Now let's do it over here. So the distance between it is actually the modulus. So you just add 28 and 18. So that would give us 46. But I think we're on a negative right now. Is the distance, the difference, right? What is a binary number? 10 in decimal system. Now, what we can do is just rewrite this right here. And this is base 10. This is the only language you computer know. So this is 2 to the 0, 2 to the 1, 2 to the 2, 2 to the 3, The ones with the 0 will go 0 because it's times. So we can cross out these. So this will give us 2 to the third is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2. And then 2 times 1 is 2, so we add that. So this will give us 8 plus 2, so that's 10. So our answer right here would be 10. And this one says solve 4.5 plus 3.9. We just add it up. Remember, the decimal point must be under each other. You can just put a space holder, 0.09. So 9 and 3, 12, 2 carry 1, 5 and that's 6 and that's 7, it's a space holder. So this is 7.72. However, we must subtract now 2.9. So we have 7.72 and we must subtract 2.90. Let's put a 0 for all the space. 0 from 2 leave 2, 9 from 7 you can't, you borrow 1 over here so leave 6. 9 and 1, 10, so that would leave 8. So 9 and 8 is 17. 2 from 6 leave 4. So our answer is 4.82. Alright, a bag of flour that costs 2.59 and a salted mackerel that costs $9.65. How much change would the customer receive from $20? So let's add this. A bag of flour. If it's Jamaica, it's a very long time. 9 and the salt mackerel. Long time I eat that. So we just add this. So 5 and 9 is 14. 4 carry 1. 7 and 1, 8. And that 14. Put the space holder. Put the decimal point rather. 9 and 1, 10. And that's 12. So the total cost is $12.44. And we carry $20. So we can just rewrite 20 as this. Just to make sure the decimal point is under the decimal point. And then we subtract 4 from that you can't. So we go ahead and borrow the 2 tens. So that leave 1 10. Put the 9 here, so 9 and 1. 4 from 10 leave 6. 4 from 9 leave 5. But decimal 2 from 9 leave 7. 1 from that. So the answer is $7.56. A dressmaker need 36 lengths of ribbon each. A dressmaker need 36 lengths of ribbon. Think a comma should be there. Each 0.5 meter long. Oh, okay, yeah. A dressmaker need 36 lengths of ribbon. Each 0. So what is saying? Each one of them should be 0.55 meter long. What is the total length of ribbon that she needs? So what we have to do, guys, is just simply multiply 36 by 55, and that will give us our answer. And we must have 2 decimal places when we finish. So 5, 6, 30, 3 carry 0, 5, 3 is 15, and that 18. Put a space holder. 5, because we multiply by 50 now, so put the 0. So 5, 6, 30, again, 3 carry 5, 6, 30, 3 carry 0, it's already there. 5, 3 is 15, and that 18. So we add this now, so we get 0, 8, 9, 1. And then now we must have 2 decimal places, so we say 1, 2, so it's $19. 19 and 19.80 meter, and it is the same thing as 19.8 here. Alright, how many 1.5 kilogram bags can be filled from a sack containing 30 kilogram? You can just put it to 1.5. It's like you're saying 30 divided by 1.5. So 30 over 1 divided by 1 3. We're gonna convert this 1 3 3 1 2 2 and that 3 over 2. So we can say 30 over 1 times 2 over 3. So this gives us 30 times 2 would be 60 divided by 3. So that is 20. Makes sense, eh? So that's number 12. So let us go to number 13. What is 0.7 times 0. Need some time to focus. What is 0.7 times 0.6? So it's like you're just saying, guys, 6 times 7 is 42. But you must have 2 decimal places, right? So it's 0.42. And guys, you have to be very efficient in exam. Alright. Alright, so let's go. Find the total cost of 1.7 kilogram and 2.5 of 1.75 kilogram of chicken at 2.64 and 0.5 kilogram of flour at $5.10. So let's just go now. Find the total cost of 1.57, so that's 1 3/4 kilogram of chicken at 2.6 per kilogram. So we have to multiply this by 1.75 because this is for 1. So we have to calculate the 3/4. Or we can just find 3/4 of this. We could just do it that way. So 1.75, 64, 4 5 20, 4 7 28, and then 30. 4 1 4. Tell you what, we will just find 3/4 of this. 3/4 of 2.64. So 4 into 22, you can't. 4 into 20 goes, 4 6 24. So this is 6, remainder 6. So this is 66. This is 0.66 times 3. So that gives us 0.66 times 3. 3 6 is 18. So this is 1.98, right? So that is for the 3/4. And plus we're gonna add the 1 point, plus we're gonna add the 2.64. So this is for the entire chicken, right? So chicken is alright. So we could see what we're going for. 0.5 kilogram of flour at 510. So it's a half. So all we have to do is find a half of this. So 510 divided 2 into 5 goes 2 times, remainder 1. 2 into that goes 5 times, remainder 1 again, and this is 5. So this is 2.55. So all we have to do is add the 3 of them, right? Because this is for the, it's only half kilogram you want, and this is the price for per kilogram. So it's 1 kilogram. Alright, so let's go. We're gonna stop at 15, I think, based on the time. So it's 2.55. So 1.98 and 2.64. So 409 and that's 17, 7 carry 1, 9 and 1 10, 15 and that 21, 2 and 1 3, and 2 5 and that's 7. So it's $7.17. Alright. It says a customer buy 3 packets of cookies that cost 0.5 each. So I could just write it each, so you just multiply it by 3, right? And a packet of pasta that costs $6.96. So it's $6.92. So whatever this is, 3 5 15, 5 carry 1, 3 5 15 and 1 16, 2 decimal place. So that's $1.65, and this 6.92. We add this and then we subtract it. 2 from that leave 7, 9 from 6 leave, no, add here at 5 carry 1, so this is 7. So actually you spent $7.56, 7.57. So we just subtract this from 20, and this now 7.57. 7 from that account, so this leave 1, boom, 9. So this leave 3, 9 from 5 from that leave 4, and that leave 2. So that leaves us with $12.43. So it is C. And they say solve 1 3/4 plus 2, 1 and